Alright, so right now we're heading to go pick up the MK5 Jetta TDI. Anybody that has known me or followed me for a while, they know I love TDIs. We do a lot of TDIs at the shop. This one here is going to be one of the best ones that we've done in a while. It's like a one-owner, grandpa-driven, manual transmission, completely factory, never molested, no dents, no nothing. And you ain't going to believe how much we're going to pay for it. Take a guess. Write it in the comments below. We about to pick this up. Let me know what you think.
She's like, I don't care how bad you are, son. There's somebody else out there that's a little bit bad. I said, no, hell no. Mama, somebody got to be the bad.
It feels completely off. Nailed that.
I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Hit my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my car.
My husband had a Ford F-250 diesel. It was a piece
Oh, that's funny.
Have you experienced that?
I don't like Ford.
Okay.
My brother-in-law, he's a heavy Ford guy. He has a 150 EcoBoost he's working on now. But he just bought a Duramax, and he was trying to get him to buy a Power Stroke, and I was like,
There was something about the year he had. I can't remember what the engine was, but
Yeah.
it was the year where they changed something, and apparently it was not a good change. Remember, he would always have to clean out the little fuel filter thing. If it rained, it would get water in the gas or something.
All right, y'all. So today's a windy day. We got this. We got a TDI, my TDI. You know, it's always putting in work everywhere. Everywhere it goes, my TDI is putting in work. I keep trying to debate on getting rid of it, but like, look at it. Here it is putting in work. We got the new TDI. Ooh, I fucking love TDIs. I don't know what it is about them. I bought this one. I didn't know anything about it. You already know the story. You saw the video this far. I had one just like it, and I needed this car. So I bought it. I never cranked it up. I didn't try to crank it up. They had already got diagnosed by another mechanic, and I don't know if he didn't love TDIs as much as I did, but so I bought it not running, got it delivered. It's finally got here to the shop. I don't even know how many miles it's got. I'm pretty sure it has like 170,000, so we'll probably do like a full refresh on it. My personal TDI has like let's go see what it's got. It's got 348, and anybody knows, they know that that's not all factory. It's got a lot of shit done to it. We don't have to get into it. That's how I'm able to pull all the dirt bikes to the track. Anyway, this is the first. I got it hooked up to the jumper cables because the battery was dead, but like I said, I did not get it. So I got it hooked up to the jumper cables. We are about to try to start it and see what happens. So it appears as though the jumper cables aren't tight or something. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right, so my car wasn't starting it with the car off, so I kind of backed up as far as my jumper cables will allow me. That way, in case this thing cranks, we can hear it crank up through the video camera, yada yada. So I started my car, let it charge in a minute. Now we're gonna try to go again. It cranked right up. We got a little bit of noise. Let me turn my car off. Running a little rough. Look at that shit. Looks like she's running a little rough. These BRMs are known for having cam lobes wear out. I think this thing just needs a cam. Take it for a little spin, see what happens. If you watched the video this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching it. I want to say thank you to everybody that has found out about our new Ghost Mafia merch store and has supported us through that, because that is how we are able to make these dope ass videos. And we just want to keep making more videos. So like, if you have anything that you want to know, any type of video that you want to see, anything that you want us to change, you gotta let me know in the comment section below. Let's get back at the video.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yo, make the engine fall out.
Oh, so y'all want an update? Y'all know I love TDIs. This BRM TDI that we got hasn't let me down. It just continues to be a TDI. It's here now at its new home. Look how fresh it is. Fresh as hell. Oof. Engine so clean you could eat off of it. So we got it. We got the new TDI tuned and race ready. It's not deleted, it's just race ready. So things that was hindering it from making big power are no longer hindering it. Y'all know what those things are. It's now a race car. Race car that gets 45 miles to the gallon, that is reliable. So if you have one of these, or you know of one of these, don't be afraid. Tear into it, fix it, drive it. It'll treat you well if you treat it well. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this type of content, like, share, comment, subscribe.